Good morning, myself Shaintika Rai Karmakar, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science. I am telling or representing the continuing part of the determination of surface tension. Now, for the determination of surface tension, we have used actually one equipment that is called stalagnometer. By using stalagnometer, we can easily measure the surface tension by drop count method. Now, the main theory is surface tension can be defined as the force unit per area that can be applied parallel to the surface so as to before the net increase pulse. It is important physicochemical property and characteristics of a liquid. The magnitude of surface tension in measurement of strength of intermolecular attraction or conceived forces. The drop count method is one of the methods for determining the surface tension. A drop of liquid allowed to form at the lower end of the tip, which gradually increase the inside they finally detached from the tip drop, is counteracted by weight of drop, which pull it downwards. A capillary drop tube is known as also a stalagnometer. Actually, it is used for determination of equilibrium as detachment point. Okay, then actually here I go in procedure. The main requirements here we have used normally ethanol and water. Now the procedure is here as a standard we have used water, and as another unknown liquid we have used ethanol. Now this stalagnometer is changed and determined property. The liquid sample was taken up to the mark and here two mark is present, A and B. When we put the liquid on upper open side, this through this portion the liquid when reached to the A mark, then from A mark to B mark, okay, this liquid pass through these two mark, and we can measure this surface tension by using one equation easily. Now I am telling the stalagnometer is the chain and determine the property. Okay, property. The liquid sample has taken up to the mark and repeated to this burette strand vertically. The liquid was then allowed to travel from the upper mark, and the number of drop was counted. When the liquid reached to the lower mark, then the stalagnometer was washed and experiment was repeated with the reference liquid. The density of reference liquid and the sample liquid was determined by using density meter. The relative surface tension of the above data into liquid sample was calculated by using one formula that is called rho 1 is equal to P1 N1 by P2 N2 into rho 2, where N1 is the number of drop of unknown liquid and N2 is the number of drops of known liquid, and P1 is the density of unknown liquid and P2 is the density of known liquid. Rho 1 is the surface tension of the unknown liquid, and rho 2 is the surface tension of known liquid. This is the main or basic equation. We can easily determine the surface tension by using this formula. Now the continuing part I will tell in the next part. Thank you.